Welcome back to Teal Tool Guide and another bad unboxing! Yeah! What is on this package? Ooh, it's kind of gross. No wonder the United States Postal Service is operating at such a large loss. What? I'm not even going to tell you how much they charge for shipping. $3.52! $3.52 to ship this off of Amazon for a $22 notebook. Check it. $22 notebook. $3.52 for shipping. $2.32 for tax. Bumps the price of this notebook up to $27.84. That's a crime! It's the B6 Plus size. Covers 16 months for the year 2022. Wait a minute. This isn't teal! This isn't teal! What color is this? Port red, maybe? Definitely. Absolutely 100%. Port red. 2 bookmarks, a pocket, 80 grams per meter squared. 80 pound? I don't know. I don't know what the right terminology is. It's 80 weight with infinite acid-free paper. I don't know why the infinity sign means acid-free. Or maybe it means it will never burn you as you flip through the pages.
It never will.
Leuchtturm 1917. English, dot grid, designed in Germany, made in China, of course. That's the unboxing. What else do I say about it? Denken mit der Hand. What are they doing with their hands? Come back for more. Like and subscribe for more bad unboxings. It's not teal.